Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your name in Facebook. So let's get started. The first step is to go to your Facebook account. So I'm just going to log into my Facebook account. Just click on fb.com. Alright, so once you're on your Facebook, on the right hand side you can see your profile picture. Click over here and then click on settings and privacy, and now click on settings. Alright, so once you're on this screen, on the left hand side you can see your account center. Just click on see more in account center option. Alright, here you can see your Facebook account. So just tap on this Facebook account and then click on name. Alright, so here you can see you can change your name from here and then click on review change. Now click on done, and there you go. Now your Facebook profile name has been changed. So that is how you can change your Facebook name. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.